Hello, travel fans! Today, we're whisking away to a destination that often gets overlooked but shouldn't be: Sofia, Bulgaria. Nestled against the backdrop of the majestic Vitosha Mountain, Sofia offers a captivating blend of history, culture, and affordability. Get ready to be charmed by cobblestone streets, ancient ruins, and the warm hospitality of the Bulgarian people. Sofia is a city where ancient history intertwines seamlessly with modern life. Roman ruins stand as testaments to a rich past, while vibrant cafes and bustling markets pulse with a contemporary energy. Whether you're a history buff, a culture enthusiast, or simply seeking an off-the-beaten-path adventure, Sofia has something special in store for you. So pack your bags, grab your sense of adventure, and join travel fans we delve into the heart of Sofia. Get ready to uncover hidden gems, savor delicious cuisine, and create unforgettable memories in this enchanting Eastern European capital. Let's go! Beyond the city limits, day trips from Sofia. While Sofia offers plenty to see and do, don't miss the opportunity to explore the stunning countryside surrounding the city. A must-do day trip is to the Rila Monastery, a UNESCO World Heritage Site nestled high in the Rila Mountains. This architectural masterpiece will take your breath away with its colorful domes, intricate frescoes, and serene atmosphere. For a truly unforgettable experience, venture to the Valley of the Roses, located south of Sofia. This picturesque region is renowned for its rose oil production, and during the rose harvest in May and June, the valley bursts into a sea of fragrant blooms. Take a stroll through the rose fields, witness the traditional rose-picking process, and indulge in rose-infused treats. These day trips offer a glimpse into the natural beauty and cultural richness that lie just beyond Sofia's borders. Whether you're seeking spiritual enlightenment, breathtaking landscapes, or simply a change of pace from the city, these excursions are sure to create lasting memories. Getting around Sofia is relatively easy and affordable. The city has an efficient public transportation system consisting of buses, trams, and a metro. The metro is the fastest and most convenient way to travel longer distances, while buses and trams offer a more scenic way to explore the city center. Tickets can be purchased at metro stations, kiosks, or on board buses and trams. It's essential to validate your ticket upon boarding. Taxis are also readily available and affordable, but be sure to use reputable companies or hail them from designated taxi stands. Sofia is a very walkable city, especially the central area. Strolling through the streets allows you to soak up the atmosphere, discover hidden gems, and admire the architectural details often missed when using public transportation. However, be prepared for cobblestone streets, especially in the older parts of the city. When to go? Finding your perfect season. Sofia experiences 4 distinct seasons, each offering a unique charm. Spring from April to May brings pleasant temperatures, blooming flowers, and the excitement of the city awakening from its winter slumber. Summer, spanning June to August, is warm and sunny, ideal for exploring outdoor attractions and enjoying evening strolls. Autumn, from September to October, paints the city in vibrant hues, creating a picturesque backdrop for walks in the park and cozy evenings in cafes. Winter, from November to March, transforms Sofia into a winter wonderland, with snow-capped mountains providing a stunning backdrop to the city. The best time to visit Sofia depends on your preferences. For pleasant weather and fewer crowds, shoulder seasons, spring and autumn, are ideal. Summer offers the liveliest atmosphere but can get hot, while winter provides a magical ambiance but requires packing for colder temperatures. Currency and cost budgeting for your trip. The currency in Bulgaria is the Bulgarian lev, but many places also accept euros. It's generally advantageous to exchange your currency for leva to get the best rates. ATMs are widely available, and credit cards are accepted in most restaurants, shops, and hotels. One of the biggest draws of Sofia is its affordability. Accommodation, food, and transportation are significantly cheaper compared to other major European cities. You can find comfortable accommodation in hostels or budget hotels for as low as $15 to $30 per night, while mid-range hotels range from $50 to $100 per night. Meals at local restaurants are incredibly affordable, with a hearty dinner costing around $10 to $15 per person. Transportation is also budget-friendly, with a single metro ticket costing around 80 cents. With careful planning, you can easily experience the best of Sofia without overspending. Language and communication, a few helpful phrases. The official language in Bulgaria is Bulgarian, which uses the Cyrillic alphabet. While English is widely spoken in tourist areas and by younger generations, it's always appreciated when visitors make an effort to learn a few basic Bulgarian phrases. Here are a few helpful phrases to get you started. Hello, zdravai, informal. Zdravait, formal. Thank you, blagodaria, please, molya, yes, da, no, nay, excuse me, izvinete. Do you speak English? Говорить ли английский? Don't be afraid to try out your Bulgarian, even if it's just a few words. Locals appreciate the effort and are usually more than happy to help you out if you're struggling to communicate. A little bit of effort goes a long way in enhancing your travel experience and connecting with the local culture. Sofia after dark. Experiencing the nightlife. As the sun sets, Sofia awakens with a vibrant nightlife scene. Whether you're seeking a laid-back evening in a cozy pub, a night of dancing in a trendy club, or a cultural experience at the opera or theater, Sofia has something to offer every taste. For a traditional Bulgarian experience, head to a mahana, offering live music, folk dancing, and hearty Bulgarian cuisine. For a more contemporary vibe, explore the trendy bars and clubs scattered throughout the city center, particularly around Studentski Grad, known for its lively atmosphere. If you're a culture enthusiast, catch a performance at the Sofia Opera and Ballet or the National Theater Ivan Vazov. For a unique experience, check out the open-air theater in Borisova Gradina Park during the summer months. No matter your preference, Sofia's nightlife promises an unforgettable experience. Sofia Awaits. Sofia is a city that often surprises travelers with its unique blend of history, culture, affordability, and warm hospitality. From exploring ancient ruins to savoring delicious cuisine and experiencing the vibrant nightlife, Sofia offers a captivating Eastern European adventure without breaking the bank. So, what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, grab your phrase book, and get ready to be charmed by Sofia's hidden gems. Whether you're seeking a weekend getaway, a historical deep dive, or simply a change of pace from the usual tourist destinations, Sofia awaits with open arms and promises an unforgettable travel experience. Thanks for watching and subscribe to Travel Fans for You.